Here are the best things to do in Norwich, England. Number 15. Norwich Cathedral. When you visit Norwich, don't miss out on the awe-inspiring Norwich Cathedral. It's not just a figurehead for the Church of England Diocese of Norwich, but a top-draw visitor attraction too. This Anglican church, dedicated to the Holy and Undivided Trinity, is an architectural marvel, with its towering nave standing at a whopping 69 feet. And those stone spires? They're some of the tallest in England. But it's not just about the grandeur. The cathedral offers guided tours that take you on a journey through its rich religious heritage and historical significance. It's more than sightseeing. It's a chance to understand the cultural importance of this Norwich gem. Number 14. Felbrigg Hall. Discover the captivating essence of England's heritage at Felbrigg Hall, a historic estate waiting to be explored. This remarkable mansion takes you on a journey through architectural history, immersing you in its rich past dating back to the 17th century. Wander through the stunning gardens and explore the stately home to unravel its intriguing stories. Generously gifted to the National Trust by country historian Robert Catton Cremer, Felbrigg Hall is a cultural treasure that offers an authentic English experience. Its serene grounds and enchanting walled garden create a tranquil oasis, making it a perfect place to start your Norwich adventure. Number 13. The Broads National Park. Welcome to the Broads National Park, Britain's largest protected wetland and the third largest inland waterway. With over 125 miles of lock-free waterways, it's a dream destination for adventure seekers. Enjoy its breathtaking landscape, teeming wildlife sanctuaries, and endless opportunities for exploration. Nature enthusiasts will be thrilled by the diverse bird species and abundant biodiversity found in the park's nature reserves. Grab a canoe or kayak and paddle through the tranquil waters surrounded by the beauty of nature. If you love boating holidays, the Broads won't disappoint. Navigate the interconnected waterways and experience the freedom of gliding through this mesmerizing setting. Number 12. Elm Hill. If you're drawn to charm and history, Elm Hill is the place for you. This medieval street is like a time machine, with its two-door buildings and cobblestone lanes. There's so much to explore and discover here, from fascinating historical landmarks to hidden treasures. Grab a steaming cup of coffee at the cozy Britain's Arms coffee house, or browse the intriguing collectibles at the many antique shops here. Additionally, Elm Hill's dark past adds an extra layer of intrigue to this exciting destination, making it an ideal place for history buffs and curious wanderers. Number 11. Wensum Riverside Walk. Experience the charm of Norwich on the Wensum Riverside Walk. This scenic concrete path is perfect for leisurely walks, providing jaw-dropping vistas and access to iconic landmarks. Marvel at Pulse Ferry and Cow Tower, each steeped in historical significance as you meander along the route. Take a moment to rest on one of the inviting benches dotted along the walk and soak in the peaceful ambience of the flowing river. The Wensum Riverside Walk is just a fraction of the larger circular route around Norwich's city centre, allowing you to discover the city's vibrant offerings on foot. Number 10. Norwich Theatre Royal. Norwich Theatre Royal is a remarkable piece of history, standing proud as one of the country's oldest theatres. Its engrossing Art Deco architecture draws you in, hinting at the cultural treasures within. Prepare to be captivated by an array of live performances that span the spectrum, from toe-tapping musicals and gripping dramas to graceful dance, powerful operas, side-splitting comedies, and spectacular concerts. Every show at Norwich Theatre Royal is a testament to the incredible talent and creativity that graces its stage. Keep an eye on their calendar for an ever-evolving lineup of cultural events that promise to ignite your passion for the arts. Number 9. City of Norwich Aviation Museum. Ready to embark on an extraordinary journey through aviation history? Look no further than the City of Norwich Aviation Museum. This precious gem, run by passionate volunteers, is a haven for aviation enthusiasts. Stroll through their outdoor displays, which boast an impressive collection of nearly 30 aircraft and cockpit sections. But hold on, there's more! Step inside to explore the gripping indoor exhibits, providing an in-depth look into Norfolk's aviation legacy. As you explore this attraction, make sure to interact with friendly locals, take part in guided tours, and engage in engaging activities. Number 8. Norwich Ghost Walks. Experience the thrill of Norwich Ghost Walks and go on a chilling adventure through the city's haunted history. Perfect for birthdays or corporate outings, these private walks reveal the dark side of Norwich. Led by knowledgeable guides, you'll wander through eerie streets, passing by iconic landmarks like Norwich Cathedral, Elm Hill, Tomland, and the River Wensum. Prepare to be captivated by spine-tingling tales of restless spirits that have plagued locals for centuries. The atmosphere is electric as history and supernatural encounters intertwine. This tour presents the chance to learn about mythical kings, rebel leaders, floating skulls, and even the ghost of a woman executed for murder at Norwich Castle. By the way, check the links in the description for recommended tour operators that will enhance your Norwich experience and save you valuable time and effort. Number 7. Norwich Castle. The Norwich Castle is a charming historical site that takes you on a journey through time. Built by the Normans in 1067, this iconic structure holds centuries of stories within its walls. Step inside and explore its remarkable architecture and intriguing exhibits. On the ground floor, you'll find engaging displays that make history come alive for both kids and adults. While you're there, soak in the medieval past of Norwich through interactive experiences and educational presentations. Also, try to uncover the secrets of this landmark and delve into the city's rich heritage. Number 6. Norwich Market. Norwich Market offers a unique way to experience the rich history and vibrant atmosphere of the city. Dating back centuries, this market has stood the test of time, attracting locals and tourists alike. As you explore the bustling stalls, you'll be greeted with a wide array of tantalizing aromas and colorful displays. Treat yourself to an exquisite culinary journey by sampling the diverse street food offerings, each dish crafted with passion and flavor. If you're on the lookout for one-of-a-kind treasures, browse the handmade crafts and unique products available. And don't forget to take home a lovely bouquet of fresh flowers, a delightful reminder of your time in Norwich. Number 5. Norwich Plantation Garden. Get ready for a journey back in time at the Plantation Garden, a remarkable 30-acre historic oasis that's like stepping into another world. This lovely treasure, registered with English heritage, is an entrancing glimpse into the past with its Gothic-inspired design and rich history spanning over 140 years. Created by Henry Trevor, a skilled furniture maker and Baptist minister, this restored gem offers a peaceful retreat from the city buzz. What's more impressive is that it's lovingly maintained by dedicated volunteers for the community's enjoyment. As you wander through its winding paths, you'll be enthralled by the meticulous attention to detail and the serene beauty of the vibrant plants. Number 4. Strangers' Hall. Strangers' Hall, an amazing medieval merchant house, invites you on a thrilling journey through time. Transport yourself to the Tudor period with the impressive Great Hall and savor the elegance of the Gregorian era in the striking dining room. The collection here is vast, featuring antique furniture, intriguing artifacts, and even enchanting toys that depict daily life across the ages. But wait, there's more! Don't forget to explore the secret garden tucked away at Strangers' Hall, adding a touch of magic to your visit. Discover hidden corners, learn more about Strangers' Hall's history, and let the allure of this remarkable place sweep you away. Number 3. Pool's Ferry. Located on the beautiful River Wensum, Pool's Ferry is a gripping 15th century medieval watergate that gives you a window into Norwich's vibrant past as a bustling transportation centre. It's conveniently close to Norwich railway station, only a quick 5-minute walk away, making it an ideal starting point for exploring the area. Immerse yourself in the rich history of this historic site while taking in the picturesque surroundings. From here, you can go on a journey to discover the charming nearby attractions that Norwich has to offer. Number 2. Sainsbury Centre for Visual Arts. You've got to check out the Sainsbury Centre for Visual Arts. It's a real architectural gem designed by the legendary Norman Foster. This place is special because it's completely free to enter, giving everyone a chance to explore its incredible art collection. Step inside and prepare to be blown away by the creativity and imagination on display. The museum's modern design and clever use of natural light create an unforgettable experience. Make sure to delve into the art collection of Robert and Lisa Sainsbury, which spans the globe and will leave you in awe. Number 1. Blickling Estate. Your Norwich adventure won't be complete without a visit to the Blickling Estate. Nestled amidst 5,000 acres of expansive parkland, this Jacobean stately home is a true gem that offers a glimpse into the region's rich cultural heritage. Step into the grand mansion, wander through its ornamental gardens, and marvel at the impressive Jacobean architecture and ancient yew hedges that embrace this historic landmark. Nature enthusiasts will be delighted to explore the wildlife habitats nestled within the estate's scenic beauty. And don't miss the chance to discover the birthplace of Anne Boleyn, the influential Tudor queen, adding an intriguing layer to your journey through Norwich. Click here for more things to do in England.